Today I'm cooking linguini con vongole in my kitchen. It used to be a dish that I made a lot when I lived in Turin in Italy many moons ago. It's beautiful fresh clams with garlic and chilli and dried oregano, linguini, some beautiful Kerrygold butter, white wine and flat leaf parsley. So it's very simple to make. So it takes about 15 minutes to prepare and cook all together. There's not much preparing in it. What I love so much about this supper, the fact that it tastes so incredibly good, but also that it's fast to make and it translates really well from being one of those kind of homey, cozy suppers that you can cook for just the two of you and have it on your laps in front of the fire or out in the garden if it's a nice evening, but also to like a sophisticated dinner kind of supper party dish as well. So garlic and chilli is the base of this that you want to simmer down in some beautiful Kerrygold butter. Next up are some beautiful chilies. I keep my seeds in. This is heat preference for you guys. So if you like it quite hot and spicy like I do, keep your seeds in. If you don't, just take them out. And then next, I'm adding in the fresh clams, the white wine, and the dried oregano. And so these beautiful clams, I've just, rinsed under cold water. And then some white wine. And then I'm putting a little bit of dried oregano. Cover the clams and let them cook for about 8 to 10 minutes until the clams completely open. And all of the gorgeous flavours will start seeping all the way into those beautiful, sweet, delicate clams. And in the meantime, then what I do is I get another saucepan on, the biggest one you can, and bring the water up to a boil. I put lots of sea salt in there, good quality sea salt, and you kind of want it to taste like a whisper of the sea. And I pop my linguini straight in. And then I just ease the pasta in at the side. And the trick with cooking your pasta perfectly is the large saucepan, is the boiling water. And then to keep stirring it for the first minute while it's all covered with hot water. And that stops it from sticking together. Oh, that beautiful smell of the sea and the sweetness of the clams and the chili. And that dried oregano. You need to get your hands on some beautiful dried oregano. And it's delicious. And now I'm going to drain off the linguini. And I put the pasta directly into the clams. And I'm putting in a little bit of pepper now. But so that when you have any kind of bite of the pasta, it's not plain pasta and then sweet clams. You're getting the beautiful flavour of the linguini con vongole in every strand of pasta. So give it a really good stir. And just tip it all into your platter, all the beautiful juices. And the last thing that I do is I add in some lovely peppery flat leaf parsley, just to give it a real pep in its step. And I like to serve it with wedges of lemon so everybody can add a bit of freshness in just as they eat. So here we go, my linguini con vongole. The recipe is below. Let me know what you think about it. If you're going to Instagram it, make sure you tag me. I hope you love cooking it and I hope your loved ones love eating it. Have a gorgeous supper. See you soon. Lots of love.